Hi, have you ever asked yourself, how do I sell my house in Portsmouth? Well, we're out here today in Portsmouth, and we're speaking with an owner. Her daughter's in school in Virginia Beach, and their work in Virginia Beach, and they're just trying to move their life from Portsmouth to Virginia Beach. So we're asking them questions about their mortgage and what they're trying to do and what their goals were and all that stuff. And what turned up was that they bought this house in 2009, which, as you guys know, was right after the bust. It's a good time to buy the house, but their mortgage was structured in such a way that our offer would not work for them. But we were able to point them in the right direction, give them some realistic options. We discussed everything from selling it for yourself, selling it with an agent, benefits of this versus that, time versus maximizing your price, all kinds of options. So if you really want to know more about your options, you should give us a call at 757-500-3544 or click the link below and we'll see what we can do for you. And information is power, and if your situation is causing you stress, it's very empowering to have more information. So feel free to give us a call. Thank you so much.